why is doing a film like this such a logical extension of the world of Kiss?
Well, because we break rules, you know, and the idea really with Kiss is that we won't be confined by the limitations that other bands have to live by. Mostly, they have to live by them because they don't have anything to offer outside of a very small sphere of music. So for a band like us, the idea of doing a film, especially Detroit Rock City, which is kind of like four young people's odyssey on the way to meeting the Wizard of Oz, in this case it's Kiss, is very much like the story of Kiss, who were four young people who went through all kinds of obstacles to attain what they wanted.
The boys are back in town. The boys are back in town. The boys are back. The boys are back. The boys are back in town. Woo! I feel tight on Saturday night.
So you are fans, and you will be on the same screen as your heroes forever.
Right.
Represented in film. Now, how does that make you feel?
Oh, it's great. I mean, I started playing because of the band, so just to help them out and be involved in this is a great thing.
Beatles fans didn't get to do this. Elvis fans didn't get to do this. We do. We get it. We got the chance.
That's a soundbite. You hear that soundbite?
Get up, everybody's gonna leave their seat.
Our victories are always victories of our fans. You know, when we win, the fans win. If we celebrate 25 years of doing what we want and selling 70 million albums, it's really a victory of the people who made it possible. We couldn't have done it without them. So this film is really a vindication for them as well. I mean, we are like a virus that just keeps coming back and permeating things. All of a sudden, the heads of record studios and film studios are Kiss fans, and we're taking over big time. We will not go away. Pansies from a fan. She just took them off.